Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, at first I welcome to your online class. I am Marziya Khatun, Assistant Teacher, Khilpara High School, Khilpara Chatkhil, Noakhali. Students, I hope you are well and I am also fine. I discussed with you about some narration in the last class, rules of narration in the last class. You know that there are 5 kinds of sentence according to meaning, and we can change the speeches from direct into indirect in all 5 kinds of sentence. We discussed with you about assertive sentence in the previous class. 2 days I discussed with you the narration of interrogative. The narration of interrogative. 2 days our topic narration interrogative. Students, at first we will know what is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence, an interrogative sentence is a sentence who is asked answer. Who is asked answer. Interrogative sentence, we can divide it 2 categories in interrogative sentence. Number 1, question marks and yes no question, WS question and yes no question. Dear student, WS question and yes no question. We example, do. Students, we can see this sentence started WH word. We can't the answer yes or no. We must the answer all this sentence. So this sentence is called WS question. Dear student, are you ill? We can answer yes or no. So this sentence is yes no question. Dear student, let's discuss with the narration of interrogative sentence. You can see direct narration. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, are you ill? Student, if the sentence is interrogative, said to become asked. So write, he asked, verb takes object, me. If the sentence is interrogative and yes no question, comma, inverted comma are closed, we write if. We can follow this structure if the sentence is interrogative. If or WS word plus subject plus auxiliary or verb plus extension. Dear student, if plus subject, subject you, second person, we can know second person is changed according to object in the reporting verb. You subjective, so write me subjective. Me subjective, I is the subjective form of me. We can write I. If subject, auxiliary verb, am is are. If the sentence is present indefinite becomes past indefinite. Was. If the sentence reporting verb is past tense, reported speech, the tense is reported speech corresponding first. So are become was. Extension ill. It's finished. Dear students, next question. The teacher said to me, Did you do the sum? Student, if the sentence is interrogative and yes no question, so said to is changed, said to become asked. Subject, the teacher, said to is changed and we can write asked. Verb, take, object, object me. If the sentence interrogative and yes no question, comma, inverted comma are closed and we can write if. E plus subject, you, again second person. Second person is changed according to object in the reporting verb, object me. You subjective, we can write me subjective. I is the subjective for me. So I, if, subject, auxiliary verb, students, did, past indefinite, we know this word is, this sentence is past indefinite. Past indefinite become past perfect. What is past perfect? Past perfect is had, verb, past participle, done, do, did, done, and then the extension, the sum. This sentence is finished, and then we can see he said to his father, comma, inverted comma, what are you doing? Students, we know if the sentence begin WH word, this sentence is WH question. So we can write indirect, he said to become asked, object, verb, take object, his father. If the sentence is WH word, WH question, comma, inverted comma are closed and we can rewrite this word, WH word, what? If WH word, if or WH word, then subject, subject you, second person, you, second person is changed according to object in the reporting verb. We can see reporting verb, his father. What is his father? His father pronoun he. His father pronoun is he. What is his father's pronoun? His father's pronoun is he. You, subjective. So we can write he subjective. He subjective, he. If or WH word, subject, and auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, am is are. If the sentence has am is are, we can write was where he was doing Dear students, already I discussed with you about the narration of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, some rules in this sentence, said to become asked, comma, inverted comma are closed and we can write if or WH word. If the sentence is auxiliary or do verb, comma, inverted comma are closed and we write if, a linker if. Then subject, auxiliary, extension. So students, previous class I discussed with you some rules of narration, the narration of assertive, and then 2 days I discussed with you the narration of interrogative. I hope that I will discuss with the rest of the sentence in the next class. Stay at home and stay safe. Okay. Goodbye.